Hey Glam Fam, so today I'm super excited because we are going to jump in and I'm going to show you guys a new brand, well at least for me. They are called Sam Marcel Paris. So I got a few products and I am partnering with them on this video and I am super excited to show you these products. So first of all, let's point out the packaging. Look at, this is the outside packaging, guys. This is not like the palette itself. This is just the packaging. It's velvet. It's so nice. Oh my, I'm so excited. I am so excited. And that's all of their packaging is velvet, which is so awesome. Really quick, if you are not subscribed here, hello, my name is Josie, and I really hope you stay and subscribe. I post new videos every single week, and I have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They will also be at Beautybyjosiek as well. And I talk to you guys mostly over there, so hopefully you will chat me up over there. I also have some more exciting news. We're coming out with t-shirts. Finally, it's almost here, guys. We have a couple designs, but we're wondering what you guys would like to see on a t-shirt as well. So please post down below what you would like to see on a t-shirt and what would make you want to buy it. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. We are gonna go in on eyes first. We're gonna open up the Sam Marcel eyeshadow palette. This is the luxurious eyeshadow palette. And it just pops right out. That is the palette. It's very chic. Look at those colors, guys. Ooh. If that doesn't say everyday palette, I don't know what does. The first color we're gonna go onto our eye is called Creme de la Creme, and it is this color right here. By the way, guys, I got my nails done. I actually got my nails done with my BFF, and also I have some other exciting news if you guys would like to see. I will do it. I will tell you guys at the end of the video. We are going to pack that onto our whole eye to get a nice wash of color over everything so we can blend out the other colors nicely. Then we are going to be going in with Deja Vu, which is this really pretty warm brown color. And we're going to put that into our crease. Did you guys see how easy that blended out? Wow. It blended out amazingly. Wow, guys, this is really nice. And then we're gonna be going in with this beautiful copper shade right here, and that is called C'est la vie. I'm just gonna go in with my finger to really pack it onto my lid. Ooh, that is pretty. All right, then we're just gonna go in and blend that line out. And once we have those blended out, we are gonna go back in with the first warm brown color that we went in with. We're just going to pack that just in the crease so that we get a little bit more dimension going on. Right where that shimmer copper color meets the warm brown. We are gonna go in with Croquette, which is this color right here. It's a dark brown. And we are going to just start to add that to the outer V of our look. And this is actually a shimmer as well, so it will go very well with our copper that is already on our lid. Alright, now to make this look extra fun, we are actually going to go in with Silhouette, which is a super dark brown color. So now we are going to go in with Silhouette, which is this really dark brownish color. We're actually going to go in with an eyeliner brush or an eyebrow brush, whatever you have on hand. And we are going to take it and we are going to act like this is our eyeliner. Now, hang in there with me, guys. Once we have this blended out to the extent that we want it to be blended out, we are going to actually blend it more so that it kind of morphs into the eyeshadow, if that makes sense, to give you like the ultimate smoky bronze look. And so what we're going for here is really, really light and thin on the inner tear duct, but darker when it comes to the outer portion of the lid. Once we have that liner on, we are then gonna go in with a pencil brush with a little tiny bit of the product and start to blend it out just along the edge. Just like that. And we are going to keep doing this process until we have a blended out wing. And we want this to keep its shape, but also blend up into our eye. Once that is done, we are going to work on the bottom lash line. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with that same pencil brush, and we're gonna go in with the two colors that we used the most of, which is this brown warm color and this dark brown color. So what we're gonna do is we are going to focus the warm color underneath our lash line and then build another false liner underneath our eyes as we did like the top. Alright, both eyes done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some concealer and I'm just going to wipe off the excess, and just like to wipe the excess off on the back of my hand. And then what I'm going to do is pick some of that excess up on the tip of the concealer brush, and we are just going to go in and cut that liner out so that it's a little tiny bit more sharp. Just like that on both sides. We are going to blend that out with our blender. I'm just gonna get my finger damp, and we're gonna go into this color again, the bronze, and just pack that back onto our lid because it's kind of been blended out. Don't forget to go back into the dark brown color and just touch up that liner again so that it doesn't look covered with gold. We're gonna go in with this, this luxurious luminizing mascara, and this is by Sam Marcel as well, and it has some weight to it, and I love when mascara tubes have some weight to it. It just makes me feel like it's more secure and not so fragile. I'm going to put my lashes on. I'll be right back. Off camera, I did add some bronzer, and here are my lashes on. And I also did a tiny little line of liner so that my lashes connected and didn't look so weird. But the next thing to do is a highlighter, and you guys already know that I love this step. So this is the Sam Marcel Luxurious Highlighting Palette. Ooh, look at those colors. Look at them. Actually, you guys, I'm gonna actually just swatch this on my hands because I don't know which one I'm gonna use now. The first one is Solol. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. So the next one is Cream. Oh my gosh. Or actually Creme. The next one is Creme. It's more of a gold yellow base. Oh. The next one is Très Chic. This is more of a bronzy highlight. This would look gorgeous on darker skin tones. Look at that. Just look at that shine. This one is Door. Alright, the next one is Amore. This is like a pinky highlight. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, guys. Next one is Voila. That right under the bronze color. Look at those. So, let's go in with Creme onto our highlights, spots. Oh my, that is pretty, guys. Oh, oh. Oh my, I would buy this palette just for this highlight, if I'm gonna be honest. Some on the chin. I want to still keep this like summery and bright and bronzy. So I'm going to be going in with Sam Marcel's Luxurious Liquid Lipstick. And this is in Rue. And it is this gorgeous bright red pink color. Corally color. I am so excited. This is Rue. So we're gonna swatch this bad boy on my hand. The first row is Creme de la Creme. Oh gosh, I'm gonna butcher this. Oh, it's Bougie? Is that how you spell Bougie? Bougeot? Ooh La La, Touché. And then the second row is A la Mode, Encore, Deja Vu, and Risqué. The third row is Chic, C'est la Vie, Coquette, and Silhouette. We are gonna move on to lipsticks. When you open it, this is how you open it. It's actually a magnet that keeps it closed, look. That's awesome. I really like that, guys. Belle. Angeline. Third one is Coco. The next one is Amber. The next one is Angelique, Violet, Isabella, Josette. All right, liquid lipsticks. Lure, Jolie, Claudine, Celine, Clara, Chloe, Juliette, Bayou, Colette, Ella, Rue, Rose, and then last but not least, we have Rogue. And that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I have a coupon with Sam Marcel. All you have to do is type in Josie XO and you will get 20% off of your Sam Marcel purchases, and it will be in the description below. And we are doing a giveaway here on my channel, which is super exciting. And so we are going to be giving away a full line of Sam Marcel makeup products. All you have to do to be entered in is be subscribed to me here on YouTube and go over to Sam Marcel's Facebook and like them. And then write Beauty by Josie K sent me for the Sam Marcel giveaway. 2 winners will be chosen, and I'm so excited for you guys. I will let you guys know who wins. Don't forget to do these steps. Good luck with the giveaway. Don't forget to check Sam Marcel out in the description below. The link will be there. And let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!